The province of Samut Prakan has been put under lockdown with a curfew imposed from 9 in the evening until 5 in the morning, taking effect on Saturday night until January the 3rd. This in the wake of a new and large wave of COVID-19 cases. Samut Prakan is one of the provinces surrounding the capital of Bangkok, and whilst leaving the province was banned on Saturday night, the concern is for the capital itself and other regions. Initially, you were told that some 13 cases had been found, originating from workers in a local fish market. But by Saturday night, 548 cases were found amongst the 1,182 tested. That's over 50%. This according to state broadcasts by the National Broadcasting Commission, which includes a claim that most of the cases were found within the immigrant worker communities. As the province goes into lockdown, so, understandably, the worry is that many will have already left as part of their normal life patterns and others return to their hometowns or villages to vote this weekend. The biggest concern, though, is that many cases are reported as asymptomatic, which means that they show no signs or symptoms of the illness, but are effectively carriers. All schools, sports venues, malls and cinemas, along with non-essential businesses, are reported to have been closed within the province, and there's no report on how residents currently outside Samut Sakhon can re-enter. Burma has been the elephant in the room for months now, as the case count there rose daily by thousands. Here, military have done their very best to man borders, which stretch 2,500 kilometres, in the hope of catching illegal immigrants. But to be fair to them, that was and is an almighty task. How does this affect you, wherever you are? Firstly, the reminder hourly on Fabulous 103 should be strictly adhered to. Mitts, masks and meters. Wash your hands regularly and use hand gel. Wear a clean mask at all times when away from home. And keep social distancing. These 3 steps have so far worked in Thailand and seen 0 cases until recently. Businesses everywhere need to upgrade and overhaul anti-COVID hygiene procedures, making sure that surfaces are sterilised at all times. Should you be worried that this could spread to other provinces? And let's hope that's not the case. But if you work on the assumption that domestic travel will see cases elsewhere, then you and everyone around you will be extra diligent in taking precautions. You can't rely on looking at someone for sniffing, coughing or fever. As we've been told, many cases are asymptomatic. It's better to assume that anyone you come into contact with may have the virus, and working on that assumption, stick to strict social distancing. Avoid relying on social media, much of which is simply conjecture and scaremongering. The government will continue to issue regular statements, and we will relay those to you in our news bulletins. For now, and let's hope for the long haul too, our province and all other provinces other than Samut Sakhon have shown 0 case counts. Let's hope it remains that way. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters, stay safe.